Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. We got some breaking news from within the ATF. Word has come out that Marvin Richardson, who is the acting director of the ATF, is being demoted. Now Richardson, first off, this is not a feel sorry for Marvin Richardson because he's an ATF agent and they suck. But Richardson has been with the ATF for over 30 years, is about to retire in a couple months, and he's been the acting director since June of 2001. Now, Biden has come under an immense amount of pressure from these anti-gunners, and I've done a couple videos here on the channel about that, but they've said things, and I'm paraphrasing, that the ATF leadership has become too friendly with the gun lobby, and that they go to SHOT Show, and they should be more tyrannical, basically. So we do know that Biden's first nominee to be the head of the ATF, David Chipman, his nomination was pulled because of all the dirt that came out about him, and he just announced officially last week that Steve Dettelbeck is his next pick, and Dettelbeck in certain ways is worse than Chipman. But in preparation for this nomination process and the confirmation process, I should say, the current acting director has just been demoted. Now, it's also come out that Biden has or is expected to pick an Arizona prosecutor as the next interim director, looking to force the fact that his nominee from last week gets selected. Now, this guy on screen is Gary M. Restiano, and he is the top U.S. prosecutor in Arizona. And the Biden administration plans to pick him as the next interim director of the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives. Joe Biden and his extreme group of clowns are trying to make the ATF a more tyrannical agency. He seems to think that they are just to make buying guns by Americans a thing of the past. That's not what the agency's for. In fact, they came out for taxes, and that's all they are, is they're a tax group. That's either way, it's an infringement. The ATF has a leadership change coming one way or another. Hit the subscribe button down below and follow my channel on all the platforms it's on, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you for your time. Breaking news. Let me know what you think about it down below. And until we see each other again, be safe, stay vigilant, and carry a gun to keep you, your friends, your family, your community safe, because that's what the Second Amendment is for, and that's what makes them squirm. Take care.